Nowadays our wardrobes are full of clothes we don't wear anymore, and the statement "I have nothing to wear" is something we can hear in our heads every single day. And you are right, because apart from changes in your body, fashion doesn't stop, it doesn't wait for you, and it doesn't give you time to wear out your clothes. And even though you will, your clothes can last for decades. I love this style and I used to wear it a lot with big platforms and high heels, but nowadays if we go for a walk with our son and we walk for miles, I'm not willing to do that, so I'm much more of a trainer's girl right now. So I thought about changing the leg cut, so I make them a bit more straight or even skinny. Maybe skinny. What I didn't remember is that they had such low waist, but well, I can work with that, I guess. They have a really nice design, the pockets have really nice details with different stitches, as well as the belt loops. The belt loops are lovely, they are braids and they are really nice. I'm in love with them. I know it's not the most drastic upcycling project, I'm not changing from one garment to something completely different or anything like that, but I'm changing styles from a flare cut to a skinny jean, so I think we're getting there. So if you're like me, if you're learning to sew, if you want to make the most out of your wardrobe and so it reflects your personality as well, consider subscribing. We're learning a lot here. I'm willing to make mistakes for you in my sewing room, so yeah, consider subscribing. And with time we'll make drastic changes as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take them off, so I can start by taking off the hem. I hemmed it. I think this must have been one of the first things I did. So I hemmed it and I left the inside as it was. I didn't cut anything, so it had more weight when walking. I think it looked nice, or at that time I thought it looked nice, and it was a wide hem. So let me take that off so we can start cutting a bit as well, because they're going to lose some bit.
Gosh, they were made for really tall people.
And with this, I'm sure we can make something as well, so don't throw anything. And one thing to make your mending projects a bit easier is to try it on the wrong side. That way you're taking your measurements on the wrong side and you don't have to change pins sideways, so it's much easier, much quicker. And you might be thinking, why did she take it in only on one side instead of balancing the leg of the trouser and taking in both sides? Because of the type of seam. Jeans bring a flat felt seam which is really strong, but you have to do it with your trousers open. So I will have to cut it open on one side, do the flat seam again, and then take it in on the other side. So it will be more complicated to try it on and see how we're doing and how much we've taken in. So this is only a quick upcycle, so we don't want all that hassle. Mine, either way, hasn't got a flat felt seam, it just has a top stitching on the inside of the jeans. So I will have to do the same. I will have to open it and do the top stitching and then close again, and maybe it doesn't fit as well and I have to do it again. So you don't want all that hassle, you just want a quick upcycle. With this leg done, I'm going to do the same with the other one, but I can just do it from this one. I don't have to try it on again. I made like a double seam, one seam next to the other to give it strength, and once I've tried it on, I can now cut the excess. And of course, I think I'll keep it just in case for some, if I want to try something, some new seam or anything, it's always useful to have. And now the hemline. For the hemline, instead of doing a simple hem or a double hem, you could even try to take advantage of the hem the jeans brought, but it's a bit more difficult in this case because we are shrinking, we are taking in this hem, so it will be a bit more challenging. So I'm going to fray it. I'm just going to take some threads out to see how it looks, because it has that nice detail in the belt loops. I think it will look cool. And to do so, you can make some cuts to help you with finding the thread you want to take out, and the ones you want to take out are the ones that go horizontally, and you can even use your seam ripper to find it and pull it out like that. And this is the final result. It's not such a big transformation, but quick projects are sometimes the most rewarding because you can make them really fast and then go out of your sewing room just wearing them. So if you like this kind of projects, consider subscribing. I will really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, and that way you don't miss anything, because I upload twice a week. And I leave you a link down in the description box below to other different mending and alteration project and a video of the skirt I made not long ago. Bye!